Hi friends, today I am with the Ace Fast Crystal 2. These are the new earbuds by Ace Fast. We are going to do the review of the product and also see what are the box content. So keep watching the video. We got the Ace Fast Crystal 2 mint green color, and here you can see all the features it is written. We will talk and discuss about that later on. It comes with the 6 colors. I will show you the colors later on. If you talk about the packaging, it is very much premium packaging. In the box we are getting the earbuds, and we are also getting two boxes, including there is one more bigger box which definitely have the paperwork. I will show you the paperwork inside it. And this is the charging cable. It comes with the same matching mint green color. It has a user manual which I recommend to check it out. Now talking about the brochure, the company also sells earphones, charging kit, mobile power bank, wireless charger and car chargers and stand. You can check them all out. I will drop the link in the description section below. The Crystal 2 comes in the 6 colors, which includes Lotus Pink, purple, mint green, ice blue, bright black and white moon. So these are the 6 colors which it is coming. We got the mint green color. Now we will see few more things in the box. In the box there is a small box which contains the extra ear tips. It has a carrying case and also one lanyard cable. This all comes with the matching color of mint green, which is a good thing. So if you buy any 6 of the colors, you will get all the things matching up. The earbuds are wrapped with the plastic, so I will peel this so that you can see an interior also. It is very thin plastic, so you can peel that up. Now what features it has? It weighs only 47 gram. It has a IP rating which is IPX4. The company is claiming that it can run up to 30 hours. The buds charging will take 1 hour if it is to 0%, 0 to 100 it will take 1 hour, and the case will take charge up to 1.5 hours. Now if you see, the buds are also wrapped with thin polythene. I will definitely ask you to peel them also. Now you can see there is charging. The LED strip display is glowing and it has a breathing light which I will show you later on. It looks pretty classy, have a transparent kind of design, and it is very unique. Even it will show you what is your battery percentage when your earbuds are charging, that it will also show, and each earbud how much it is charged. So it is a vital thing. It comes with a Bluetooth 5.3 support with EDR. Here you can see in the Android you can have the SBC and AAC codec support too. So if you take the earbuds, you can see the number glows and it indicates how much percentage is left in the charging case. If you see, you get 3 pair of ear tips and 1 pair of ear tip is already pre-installed in your earbuds. So this is what you are getting. The sizes are small, medium and large. So these are the 3 sizes what you get. It will be containing in all the earbud tips. Even you can see the earbud tips are also coming in a case, which is a good thing. It gives you a very premium finish. Now if we talk about few more things, it comes with a case which is a very unique. It is a silicone case with a lanyard which is also matching color. I will show you how you can put this. It is very easy. It will not take much time, but it will give a protection to your earbuds case. And even the case is so good and firmly installed. You can see you can take out the earbuds very easily from the sides left and right, and also in the bottom for charging. It comes with the type C port of charging, so you can do the charging from the bottom, and it has a sufficient space to plug that charging inside it. Now let's talk about the lanyard cable. It is pretty long and you can hang around the neck, and you can also take it on your purse or somewhere else. So it gives a proper layer of protection and it is very soft and silicone made. Now I will definitely recommend you guys again to check out the user guide manual to see how the tap functions work, and it is very easy, but if you go through the process it will be much more easier. If you talk about everything, it comes with 18 months of warranty, which is a huge thing. You don't get 18 months of warranty in India. It will be maximum 12 months, but 18 months is a huge deal. Now it will also show you how to reject the call, how to accept the call, and how to change the music. Each thing is being written on the user manual. So I request you guys to check it out. It has a multiple language user manual also given, so you can check that out of yourself. Now talking about the charging, it is very easy. I will show you one more time. So once I plugged in, it will show you charging. But the main feature what it comes when you switch off the light and you see the magic. Here you can see that it is glowing. While you are charging, it will glow. Even it will glow when you plug the earbuds. It will show you the charging percentage. It has a breathing light effect and it comes with the LED display also. The color of the LED display and breathing light will be similar to the color which you have ordered for the earbuds. So it will be different for each earbud. So it is pretty cool. It is very different and unique. And definitely it is something that you can show off. It is one thing that everyone will stop and ask you what is this and how the light is glowing, because it's a standout tech product what I have currently seen in the market. I will drop down the link from where you can purchase this. Currently it will be priced around 5,900 for Indian rupees, and you have to export it because it is not available in India. Now you have few tap functions where the work gets a little bit easier. So if you tap from the right, it will increase the volume. If you tap from the left, it will decrease the volume. You can check yourself on the screen also. I am just tapping right, it is increasing the volume. If I am tapping to the left, it will decreasing the volume. It is very easy. Now the double tap from left or right will pause the video or play the video or media, whatever it is. If you triple tap on the right, it will play to the next song. If you triple tap on the left, it will go to the previous song. Let me give you a little bit brief on the battery. If you are playing on 70% of the audio, the music time will last up to 7 hours. If you are on call with the 70% of audio volume, then it can last up to 4 hours, which is definitely huge. The company is claiming that after one charge full case, it can run up to 30 hours, and also the charging case can give you 4 times juice to your earbuds, which is definitely a great thing. The audio call quality is definitely good while you are talking. The other side of the person can hear you very easily, and it does a proper bit of slightly noise reduction. So there is a slight noise reduction. I can't expect a lot from this, but still the product what it is offering, the quality of the product which it comes, it is definitely very inspiring. It gives you a very premium touch and finish, and you will not get this kind of thing in the market currently in India. I wish that they would bring all the products in India and start selling here, because their products are very good. There is a good lineup of all the accessories what they have. If you talk about the fast pairing, the pairing is very fast and it doesn't take much time. It is having a 5.3 Bluetooth. So 5.3 Bluetooth gives you a proper connectivity, and even the music playback is also good for highs and lows. So I definitely recommend you the Ace Fast Crystal 2, because I have used it for like 1 month, nearly 1 month, and I'm definitely satisfied with the product, especially with the price, which is around 5,900, and also the color options what it is offering with the LED display, which definitely is one of the gimmick that you will not see in other earpods currently. It has a breathing light also. So it comes with a complete package. It has a silicone cover for protection. Even you also get a lanyard cable with 4 ear tips in the box. So this is all about the Ace Fast Crystal 2. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.